Good morning, grade 2. So we are now in our computer. And last time, we learned about input devices, right? And we discussed about keyboard. Now we'll have mouse. Okay? So these are the different the computer mouse as an input device. So we have here a pen mouse, a trackball mouse, a wireless mouse, optical mouse, and mechanical mouse or ball mouse. So this one, okay, before we start with the parts of the mouse, let me read description of mouse. The mouse is an input device that is used by gliding around the mouse pad. You may consider it as an extension of your hand. Every time you move your mouse like this, you see the arrow. You see the arrow. Can you see the arrow on the screen? Yeah, moving, right? We call that a mouse pointer. So this one, yung arrow dyan, ang tawag natin is mouse pointer. So now let's go to the parts of the mouse. So this one is our palm rest. Okay? Right mouse button, left mouse button. We have here the scroll wheel and the long wire. So I'm using I have mouse here. I'm using my mouse. Let me show it to you. So this one. This is the long wire. Okay? This is the palm rest. Okay? Right button, left button, and this is the scroll bar. Okay? So ganyan din sa nasa board, nasa screen. Okay? Right mouse button, the one on the right. Left mouse button, the one on the left. And yung wheel dyan, we call it scroll wheel. The down here, palm rest. And then the wire, we call it long wire. Okay, can you please say, if I point the part, say the name or the parts of the mouse. Okay, what's this? Very good. It's a long wire. How about this? Very good. Right mouse button. This one. Very good. A palm rest. This one. Oh, this one. Correct. Left mouse button. And the last one, scroll wheel. Okay, very good. Now, let's go to the different uses or functions of mouse. Different uses or functions of mouse. The first one is point. Okay? It is done by placing the tip of the mouse pointer over an object or icon you like. Okay? So let me show it to you. How to do the point, okay? So this one, I will point the word uses. Oh, this is point. Okay? It is done by placing the tip of the mouse pointer over an object or icon you like. I'm gonna point the word mouse. This one, it's pointing already. So that is point. Next, number 2, click. It is done by pointing to an object and then press the left mouse button. So after pointing, this one is point only, but click, you're gonna point and then click the left mouse button. So let me show it to you. Wait lang ha. For number 3 is double click. Okay? Double click. For number 3, double click. It is done by pointing to an object and then pressing the left mouse button twice and fast. Dito sa click, only once, right? But in double click, we're gonna click it twice, two, but fast, and fast pala. Twice and fast, okay? So let's do that one, okay? Can you see it already? So I'm gonna click, double click, okay? Look, point, double click. What happened? It opens a folder or file, okay? If I use double click, okay? Again, your left mouse button, click it twice and fast. Ready? There. Double click. Okay po? Now, let's go to the next one. Number 4. For number 4, it is right click. Right click. It is done by pressing the right mouse button. So I'm gonna right click it here. Let's see what will happen. I'm gonna click the right mouse button. Look. So I'm just doing it here kasi kaya naman dito. Okay, after clicking the right mouse button, let's see what will happen. There, may biglang lumabas. Okay, so this is right click button, right click. Okay, done by pressing the right mouse button. Next, let's go to number 5, drag. Drag. It is done by pointing the mouse and then pressing the left mouse button without releasing it until you reach the place you want to choose. Okay, so you're gonna point the mouse and then click the left mouse button and then you're gonna drag wherever you want to bring or put your file. So let me show it to you. So we're gonna go here. Okay, so look, I'm gonna drag this picture into this one, okay? I'm gonna click the left mouse button once, click and then drag. Look, it's moving, right? If you need to hold it until and you want to drag it here, I want this one to put it here. Okay? So it's gone here and it's already inside there. Okay po? So yun yung drag. Okay? So next is the wheeling. Okay? The last one is wheeling. It is used to move the scroll wheel, scroll wheel, upward and down to show the hidden parts of your window. Okay? So, we're gonna do that one dito sa isa nating scroll. So, this one is wheeling, right? Look, wheeling. Okay, now let's proceed to the next one or the other input devices. Okay, other input devices that will help you give commands on your computer. So first one is joystick, this one, and a game controller, this one. These are usually used when playing games on a computer. They are control the cursor, motion, or arrows on the gamepad. So do you have like this, joystick and game controller? Okay, so that is the first one. Next is, go, stylus or pen input. Stylus or pen input. It is usually used for a tablet PC, in a personal digital assistant or PDA, and even in some smartphones, right? To easily access or open a command or program. So this one is a stylus or pen input. And the next one is digitizers and graphic tablets, this one. These are similar to mouse but used with the help of a stylus to draw. That is the stylus. This is the graphic digitizer and or graphic tablets. It is used to draw or write on a special tablet that is connected to a computer. So So maraming gumagamit ito yung mga nag-drawing, no? Okay, next, digital camera. It is used to take pictures that can be placed and downloaded to your computer. So medyo hindi na uso medyo ngayon yung digital camera ito, no? Kasi meron na sa phone. Pwede mo nang gamitin yung phone mo. Tapos ito, pero dati may ganito si Teacher Bell. Ganyan yung gamit niya dati. Okay, may ganyan ako dati. Next is scanner. It is used to copy or scan documents just like a photocopying machine. The document or picture or anything you scan will go directly to your computer. Kapag nagpo-photocopying, mapupunta lang dun sa paper. Okay? Pinotocopy mo, lalabas sa paper. Pero kapag scanning, dun siya, yung copy, mag-go directly to your computer. Yung picture, mapupunta sa computer. Yung file or document, dun diretso sa PC mo. Okay? Hindi sa paper, hindi nalalaba, hindi man print, hindi man photocopy. Okay, next, barcode reader. It is an electronic device that is used to read barcodes on the product you see in stores. After the barcode of a product is read by the computer, it will show the price of the product. Okay? Next is remote control. It can control a computer system from distant location. Remote control. And the last one is touch screen. This device is used to make a selection by just touching the screen. Okay? Please get your computer book and open it on page 77. Computer book and open it on page 77. Okay? You are going to name the parts of the computer. So I'm gonna read first the choices and then you're gonna answer, okay? Scroll wheel. Okay, this one is scroll wheel. Next, left mouse button. Right mouse button. Palm rest. Long wire. Laser light. So what is this one? What do you call to this part of the mouse? Okay, next, this one. Next, this one. Okay, that one, the one in the middle, write it here, your answer. Next, this one. Okay, this one, write your answer here. Kapag hindi ka siya, go down. Okay? And the last one, what do you call to this one? Write it here. Okay, let's go to the down part of your book. Still page 77. Write P if it is a part of the mouse, and write F if it is a function. Okay, kapag part siya ng mouse, you're gonna write P. Kapag function siya ng mouse or uses ng mouse, you're gonna write F. Okay? Number 1, wheeling. Part or function? P or F? Go. Number 2, palm rest. Part of the mouse or function? Next, number 3, long wire. Part of the mouse or function? Number 4, just write P and F. Number 4, double click. Double click, part or function? Number 5, right click. Right click, P or F? Number 6, point. Number 6, point. Number 7, click. Number 7, click. Number 8, scroll wheel. Number 8, scroll wheel. Number 9, right mouse button. Right mouse button, P or F? And number 10, left mouse button. Left mouse button. Okay, let's go to page 78. 78. Look at the picture and then i-read ni Teacher Bell yung mga words and write the letter sa line. Okay? I'm gonna read the one in letter B and match it on the picture on letter A, column A. So, first word, letter A, scanner. Write letter A. Where is the scanner? Write letter A. After, before the number, dun sa line, write letter A dun sa scanner. Where is scanner? Next, letter B, game controller. Write letter B, game controller. Where is the game controller? Write letter B. Next, letter C, digital camera. Digital camera. Where is the digital camera? Write letter C. Write letter C. Next, letter D, digitizers and graphic tablet. Digitizers and graphic tablet. Yung ginagamit kapag nagdo-drawing, yung sabi ko kanina. Okay? Digitizers and graphic tablet. Write letter D. And the last one is write letter E for barcode reader. Ito makikita natin to sa mga mall, store, barcode reader. Barcode reader, write letter E. Okay, done everyone? Okay, very good. Now, for your project in computer, you are going to take a video of yourself and your computer screen, okay? First, you're gonna talk. Oh, see, this is the different functions of the mouse. You're gonna say like that. Then the video is in nasa inyo yung video sa self nyo. And then if you're doing the function, dapat yung i-video nyo is your computer screen, okay? While doing the different uses and function of mouse. First, you're gonna take a video yourself first, introduce what you are going to do, and then yung computer screen mo if you are doing point, click, double click, right click, drag, and wheeling. Understand? So, ito yung ating computer project. So, a study for our quiz tomorrow, take a picture of pages 77 to 78 and send it in our class dojo. And for your project, pass your project on or before November 29. Same with our Bible. Pass your project on or before November 29. See you tomorrow. Thank you, everyone. And see you tomorrow. Bye.